Srirangam 365. In the previous episode, we saw that Bhagavan started explaining about Archavataras. Later, Bhagavan explains the four types of Archavataras. He says that Archavataras can be classified into Divya, Saidha, Manusha, and Swayamyakta. What is Divya? Where Bhagavan is consecrated by Devas, that Archavatara is called Divya. When the same is done by Siddha Purushas such as Rishis, it is called Saidha. And when humans, could be kings or someone else, consecrate Bhagavan, that Archavatara will be called Manusha. All these three have a common name called Kritrima. They are all established by beings. And then you have the fourth one, that is Swayamyakta, where Bhagavan appears all by himself. Bhagavan goes on to say that there are 8 Swayamyakta Kshetras in our country. The first one is Srirangam, about which we have seen before. And then the second one is Totadri, which is found in South Tamil Nadu. There Bhagavan gives darshan as Totadri Natha. That is also a Swayamyakta Kshetra. Then there is the third one called Sri Mushnam, where Bhagavan appears as Varahamurti. That is also considered to be Swayamyakta Kshetra. And then the fourth one is Tirumala, where Lord Venkateshwara gives darshan to one and all. That is also a Swayamyakta Kshetra. And then if you go to northern India, we find 4 Swayamyakta Kshetras there. One is Naimisharanya, where Bhagavan is found in the form of a forest. And then you have the Kshetra called Pushkara, where Bhagavan is in form of water. So that is also a Swayamyakta Kshetra. And then if you travel to Badarika Ashrama, there Badari Narayana Bhagavan is also considered to be Swayamyakta Murti. And then the last one, Salagrama Murti. If you go to Salagrama, which is widely known as Muktinath, there we find Bhagavan, who is also considered to be Swayamyakta Murti. So these are the 8 Swayamyakta Kshetras. Ranganath Bhagavan tells Brahma that there are other forms that he would be taking in future. He says, in Kanchipuram, I will become Varadaraja and will be consecrated by you, that is Brahma. And speaks about a lot of Archavataras. And in the end, he says that now that you have obtained this Sriranga Vimana, you must properly take care of it, do Nitya Puja and all. Brahma too does so. Again, while speaking about the 3 types of Archavatara, that is Divya, Manusha and Saidha, we had posted 3 photos in this video representing various Archavatara sthalas. Try identifying which Archavatara sthalas they represent and comment.